What's up? It's your Big Brother Tren. You tuned in once again to another exclusive video. So in this video, man, I'm about to tell you why you keep seeing repeated numbers and what they mean. All right. Ain't nobody on the YouTube gonna explain it like me. Okay. So all them other videos y'all be saying out there, people be capping, y'all. They just be saying stuff. They want you to believe it, and it don't even really be true. All right. I'm about to tell you the real deal of what repeating numbers mean. All right. But first and foremost, I want to introduce y'all to this product. It's a steam cleaner. Yeah, I ain't never in my life owned a steam cleaner. As a matter of fact, when I first got it, I didn't even think it was gonna work. You know, I didn't even think it was gonna be effective or nothing. Then I got it, I was like, yo, this is the new revolution. I like this. All right, and I've been using it ever since to clean my sofa, to clean my floors, to clean my drapes and all that stuff, man. So I'm gonna introduce y'all to the steam cleaner and how powerful it really is. Check this video out real quick.
What's up? It's your Big Bro Tren. Welcome to my little living room. All right. But I want to show y'all this steam cleaner that I got from Costway and how effective it is. I didn't think it was gonna be great, but it is awesome. It's better than great, you know. And I've been using it, just testing it out or whatever. And so I'm gonna let you see how good it worked. All right. Now, they make a lot of different steam cleaners, but this is one that's like, it's top of the line. I mean, I think the temperature get up to like 200 degrees on it or something like that. And yeah, man, let's get to cleaning this dirty sofa real quick, and I'm going to show you how it works. It comes with a lot of different pieces. All the pieces aren't here, but it has multiple different pieces that they will show you on the website that you can see that connects and attaches to this steam cleaner. So I let it already heat up. It take about 8 to 10 minutes to heat up. And when I say it get hot, it get hot. That cap has to be screwed on very tight. Like you can literally feel the heat coming off of it right now. So it's hot. It got wheels on it. You know, it's not that heavy. It's really portable. And like I say, man, it got a lot of extensions you can use. And we're gonna make this thing work. Let's see what it hit like. Oh yeah. Now what I did was I put a little bit of Febreze fabric softener inside this hot water, but you're not supposed to put chemicals in it because the steam is already powerful. As you can see how much steam is coming out, it's very powerful. And it is cleaning the sofa. All the Costway products that I've been showing you guys are excellent. You definitely got to get you one of these. And it's not that expensive either. I actually have a 15% off discount you can use. It's going to be at the bottom in the comment section and in the description section of this video. So if you use my discount, you get it even cheaper. Wow, that look clean already. That look clean already. It look good. And it's hot. It smells good. And I only put 1 gallon of water inside the tank, so you don't need a lot of water. Just look at all that steam just pouring out, man. Wow, amazing. So yeah, man, if you need to clean your sofa out, you've been looking for a good cleaner, I think you found the winner right here with your Big Bro Tren, man. This ain't no joke right here. It's serious. I like it. Might start cleaning my stuff every week now. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below, man. You gotta have you one of these Costway steam cleaners, man. This is the greatest, one of the greatest cleaning things I got up in here. Make sure you get you one too, man. Again, you can use my 15% off discount at the bottom in the comment section. Let me get back to finishing this up. I'm having a little bit too much fun.
So if you look in the description below, make sure you get you one of them steam cleaners, man. It's really good. It works really good. Look in the description below. Get you one today. It'll be in your mail this week. All right. Anyway, so I'm about to talk to y'all about what it means to see repeating numbers and what's really going on. Why do you keep seeing repeating numbers? Do you see 818? Do you see triple eights, quadruple eights, quadruple ones, 1111, 222, 333 313. If you see repeating numbers, I'm about to tell you in this video what it really means. Stay tuned to the end of this video, because to go along with this topic, your Big Brother Tren got something very special for you, right? So, a lot of people not gonna tell you this, but this is what it really means when you see repeating numbers. First of all, if you see repeating numbers, consider yourself blessed, all right? Think about it. When you was growing up as a child, did you ever see repeating numbers on the clocks? No, you wasn't even thinking about it. The reason why you see repeating numbers now is because you are no longer trapped in the matrix, right? You're not in the matrix. If your eyes unintentionally get attracted to numbers, you are not in the matrix, meaning you're not programmed no more. You ain't like everybody else. You officially awaken. You are awakened to the real world, all right? You see the truth, all right? And the truth is, there's no such thing as time. That's just something that man created to keep the system going, so you can keep going to work, all right? That's why man created time, so that things could be done systematically, all right? That's why time exists. Other than that, there's no such thing as time. Time is always infinite, all right? So if you just happen to unintentionally see repeating numbers, like today, I seen 222 just randomly. I wasn't even trying to look for it. The number found me. I seen 222. Now, when you see these numbers unintentionally, not trying to find them like some of y'all do, be trying to look for them. If you see these numbers unintentionally, meaning you're not thinking about it, it just randomly happens to come to you, then that's just the universe is showing you you are in divine alignment with everything in your life, meaning you're doing everything right, right? You're thinking the right thoughts, you're on the right path, you're making the right decisions, you're just doing the right thing, period, all right? So if you see repeating numbers more than like 3 times a day, then all throughout the day, you're doing good things, all right? And the universe is just talking to you through the language of numbers, all right? Because that's one of the ways that the universe communicates with us, is through math, numbers, all right? It's basically showing you you are in the divine. You are divine. When you see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, that's not a coincidence, all right? If you arrive at the gas station and you ain't got no gas and it's 333, it's not a coincidence. You see 333 for a reason. It's like the universe saying you made it right on time. I got you covered. You made it right before your car broke down. All right. You go to the mall. As soon as you touch the door and open the door to the mall, the doors come open for the mall, and you see 1, 10, 10. 10, 10. How can you see 10, 10 as soon as you walk in the mall in the morning? 10, 10. That's because the universe is saying you're in the right spot. You was thinking the right things. Whatever you was coming to buy is going to be in the store on the shelf waiting just for you. All right. So this is happening all throughout the day. All right. A lot of people don't see repeating numbers because they just not conscious. They're not aware of their surroundings. They're not aware of anything. All right. So don't try to go around and asking people, do you see what I see? They're not going to tell you that they're not going to see what you see. You know, you ask some of your siblings or friends or something, do you see this repeating number? They're going to be like, huh? What you mean repeating numbers? I don't understand that. What is that all about? Repeating numbers? You're crazy. A lot of people is not blessed enough to be able to see repeating numbers. Okay? So again, if you see repeating numbers, consider yourself blessed and highly anointed. You gifted. All right? Now, what do these repeating numbers mean? And like I told y'all, a lot of people capping on the internet talking about what the numbers mean. That's what it means for them. It's not what it means for you. If you see 11 and 11, it might mean something totally different from that next person. All right? So don't listen to the hype and the cap on the internet with people writing articles and it's coming from their own perspective and their own point of view. What they got for them, what God got for them is not intended for you. So when you see 222 or 111, 333, 444, when you see these numbers, always think about how you feel in the moment or what's going on at that time. All right? So all you gotta do, just think about, like, you see 11:11 on the clock, just think about what just happened 5 minutes ago. Or where do you plan on going 10 minutes from then? Like, just think about the moment. You know, when you see these repeating numbers, it basically brings you back to reality. Like, okay, all right, I'm in control. I'm the point of origin of everything that's happening. You know, the numbers kind of like stop you in your tracks and say, hey, slow down. Remember, you're co-creating your reality. It's coming from you, all right? So when you see any number that keep repeating itself, when you see a number that keep repeating itself, ask yourself, what's going on in that moment? So the universe is trying to communicate to you and tell you something, all right? What are you thinking about in that moment? Are you thinking about your mom? Are you thinking about going to play a number at the store? A number that's been on your heart? Like, I want to play this number. I think it's going to hit big. You know? Are you thinking about getting your car fixed in that moment? The universe shows you 444s, 444. Universe is like, yeah, you need to get your, basically the universe saying, yeah, you need to get your car fixed right now, right? If you was thinking about going outside and doing your yard and mowing the lawn, and then all of a sudden on the clock you look up, you see on the clock it say 555. Boom, you wasn't even trying to 555. The universe is telling you, oh yeah, remember, if you're trying to go cut some grass, remember, see, you got to think about everything in that moment. You're trying to go cut grass today and stuff. Remember, you ain't got no gasoline for the lawnmower. You got to go to get some gasoline. The universe is talking to you, but see, you got to think about everything that's going on in that moment and what it means, okay? So basically, you got to be the one that figures it out, all right? You got to figure out your own situation and say, all right, this is what I need to do, okay? Okay, I see that number, that repeating number. You could be on your computer. You could be anywhere. You could be going home from getting off work today in traffic. You see a repeating number in traffic, and it's traffic, and you see a repeating number in traffic. What's going on? You might be angry. You might be upset. You know, you might be tired. You're just ready to get home and relax. But the universe is communicating to you. Remember last time you got upset when you was in traffic. Don't let the traffic upset you. Just be cool, calm, and collective. Put on one of your favorite songs and just get home in a cool, calm, and collective manner. The universe is trying to tell you, relax. It's going to be all right. I'm going to open up a path for you so you can get home faster. Right? So again, think about everything that's going on. I'm going to give you another example. So let's say you made a dope song. You're a music artist. And you made a dope song. Right? You finished the song at 12:12 at night. Right? It's 12:12. Right when you finish the song, it say 12:12 on the clock. What is going on in this moment? You don't like the song. You probably like, I don't like that song, man. I need to come and redo it over. The beat don't sound right. It sounds tacky, man. Maybe people not gonna like that. And then you see 12:12 right when you finish your track. What is the universe telling you? Something you're not seeing. So you're thinking about the song. You're thinking about the production of the song and everything. The engineer's like, that sound good to me. You know what I mean? Like, really? Yeah, it sound good to me, man. I think you should just put it on iTunes or something, man, and just go with it. You see 12:12. Universe is basically saying, he's right. You should go ahead and go with it. What you like might not be what other people like. Put the music out there. That's a hit. 12:12. The universe is communicating with you. This is what you got to do when you see repeating numbers. All right? So like I said, everybody else is saying all this, what this number means, that number, that's cap. That's what they see it as. Okay? When you see repeating numbers, pay attention to what's going on in your surroundings and what you're thinking, how you feeling, what you're about to do, and what you've already done. And you'll start to see the silver lining on how to make the next best decision for your life. All right? I'm going to say that again. Think about what's going on. Think about what you're thinking. Think about what happened previously. Think about what you're about to do. All right? When you see these repeating numbers. And usually you will find the silver lining, and the language of the universe will communicate to you what to do next. Okay? This is our roadmap on life, y'all. Like, the universe, God's creation is our roadmap in life. Right? God controls everything. Even numbers on the microwave. Even numbers on the stove. God controls the numbers. Okay? So it's like a roadmap. Okay? And you got to read in between the lines sometimes to really figure out the best decision for you. Because sometimes you might not always have Big Bro here to tell you what to do. Sometimes you might not always have somebody to give you some advice or give you their undivided attention and their opinion on something that you need to do with your life. Sometimes it just be you and God and the creation around you. And sometimes you're going to have to go off these numbers to be able to make the next best decision for your journey, for your life. Right? So this is what it means when you see repeating numbers. Now, I told you if you stayed to the end of the video, your big bro always got something very special for you, all right? So I have numerous videos that are not on my YouTube playlist about repeated numbers, all right? They are private, they are secret, and very important videos, VIV, okay? And if you want to see these secret videos that I have, it's probably almost 10 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Plus, I got information to go along with the videos, like full descriptions. If you said repeating numbers constantly, then this is your course. I got a repeating numbers course that I created myself, and I go into depth and detail about what it means to see particular numbers. And I also teach you how to use these numbers to manifest too. It's a secret. It's a secret way you can use these numbers to manifest. Don't nobody know. I figured it out, right? And if you want that repeated numbers course, simple. Again, look in the description section. Look at the top of the comments. You'll see the repeating numbers course. Don't look back. Get it. You'll be thanking me later when you watch all them videos and you read the information. You'll say, wow, it's going to change your whole perception on seeing repeating numbers. You're going to think totally different about it now. You're going to be able to use it to your advantage. All right, rather than just seeing them and just say, oh man, I saw a lucky number, man. I'm about to go play that number. Like, no, man, it's more than that. But anyway, man, it's your Big Bro Tren. With that being said, hey, give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with your spirit, if it vibrated with your soul. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you stay tuned today, man, I'm going to release some more tunes.